So these guys sent me this and told me to build something crazy. So sat there for about a week trying to figure out what to do with it. And I had some steel laying around. So I pulled out my MIG-TIG welder and made a base for it out of 302 tube steel and C-channel. And that supports the entire unit itself. And I made everything modular so that way it can be disassembled, you can service it, you don't have to unbolt everything to get to the parts. I made out of stainless steel slugs, machined on my lathe some mounts for the guns themselves, and found these guys on Amazon, and my kids love them. So I went and bought a whole bunch of them, reversed engineered ones, so that way I could change it to remote fire, so you can use a little remote with a little laptop power supply, and it will fire the Nerf darts out, and everybody loves it. So. But me and my daughter kind of made an origin story for it on our site. We typed it up and everything, just to give it a little bit of a background, kind of give it a little bit more depth, instead of it just being a robot-looking PC. I want to put too much lighting on the top, just in case anything, because it complicates things sometimes. But yeah, and you've got all the cables to run and everything. Yeah, but it's a fully...
Those are working?
No, this is just for aesthetics, yeah. So I took the back where the handles for the actual guns were and widened the ports so that I could use the tubes and put them in there. So it looks like liquid-cooled chain guns. And it's a fully working system. So I have my games on here. And,
so you're heading back home with it? And
and it's gonna go right. I already made a mount for it, and then I'm gonna modify the bottom so I can strap it on, and then it's gonna go halfway on my ceiling and halfway on the wall, so it looks like a spider crawling on the wall.